Want to know how to improve your team productivity in Google Chat? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Google Chat website or the application. So we have also created some videos regarding Google Chat, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now, if you have a team or a space, and if you want to improve their productivity on tasks and much more, this video is for you. So you can just simply open up your space first, and the best thing you can do is add bots which should automate your tasks much easier. So you can just simply select add members and install bots if you don't have it installed, and then select add accordingly, and it should be added just like this right here. Next, we can assign tasks. So right here you should be seeing assign tasks. You can just simply assign a task to people. So you can just simply mention someone and then assign accordingly. So as you can see right here, your tasks should load up. Add a task space as well. So add a title. You can also add date and time and assign it to someone specific. So you can just simply see this, select save, and now it should be assigned to that. So you can also send it to chat by selecting view on chat, and as you can see right here, it should be sent. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.